Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Today, we're taking a closer look at RAKBank, conveniently located at www.rakbank.ae/en. This UAE-based financial institution offers a comprehensive suite of services, catering to both individual and corporate clients. Navigating their website, you'll find a wealth of information readily available, making it easy to explore their various offerings. From personal banking solutions like checking accounts, savings accounts, and credit cards, to business banking services encompassing loans, trade finance, and treasury management, RAKBank strives to provide a complete financial experience. They appear to emphasize digital banking, likely offering convenient online and mobile platforms for managing your finances on the go. While the specifics of their products and services would require further investigation on their site, their online presence suggests a commitment to modern banking practices. It's advisable to delve into the details of each offering to determine suitability for your individual financial needs. Furthermore, exploring customer reviews and independent financial comparisons could provide a more comprehensive understanding of RAKBank's position within the UAE banking landscape. Remember to carefully consider all aspects before making any financial decisions. Their website, accessible at www.rakbank.ae/en, is the primary resource for accurate and up-to-date information. Visiting their website will allow you to discover more about their specific products, services, fees, and eligibility criteria. Consider contacting their customer service for personalized assistance and clarification on any queries you might have. It's crucial to conduct thorough research and compare options to make informed financial choices that align with your individual circumstances and goals. Be sure to explore their website, www.rakbank.ae/en, for the most accurate and current details. RAKBank seemingly offers a wide range of financial solutions, so taking the time to thoroughly understand their offerings is a worthwhile investment. Don't hesitate to utilize their online resources and contact their customer service for personalized guidance.